Hi, Mommy. Merry Christmas. And for anybody else who got this specific present, this is, so you probably open this, and here it is. It says U.S. Open, from the United States Open tennis game from Wilson. You're going to open your box, and it's going to start like this. So what we're going to do is, we pull out the box. We'll put this box to the side. Okay. Lift that piece of cardboard off and this piece of cardboard off. And you have, it says hearO, right? Unscrew the top. There's a little foam donut. Okay. Take the donut out. And now you're going to push down. You might have to pull all the foam out because it's a little hard to come out. Oi, yeah, see, okay. If you pull it out, oh my goodness, all the papers come out. Hold on, I wasn't expecting that. Okay, so then gently at the bottom, okay, this is what we have here. This is your charger, okay? So you are going to use this little USB thingy. You will plug it in however it goes. And then the USB, I'll probably include a little cord for you, a little, so you can stick it in there and you don't have to. And then here's what this is. This is the hearO 2nd edition, and this is using a tennis ball from the United States Open, the U.S. Open, and I think this was from a ball used in 2019. Yeah, 2019. It doesn't say which one. And here, so here's the tennis ball, right? Are you ready? Are you ready, Mom? And anybody else who got this? hearO? United States Open Tennis 2019. It's an MP3 speaker. Your attachment is here on the bottom. I already charged it a little bit. So when you get it, you'll charge it in full. You plug this in, you undo your cord, and this is how you charge it, by standing it. This is your charger. If you lose this, you cannot charge this, so do not lose this, okay? So very simple. Okay. How many days to thaw a turkey? Oh. Well, then I got a text Teresa. She's asking me how many days. Text, neck, the size. He knows. Okay. Alrighty. So you'll push this button, because I will probably charge it before I send it to you. Right, you heard that sound, right? That means it's searching. So you're going to go to whatever thing you play music on. You're going to, okay, that's Sissy. Okay, later. Then why ask me now? I don't know. She's so silly. Okay. So it's going to, you see how it shows hearO? It's searching. It's searching. So you're going to touch hearO. Did you hear that? It sounded like a tennis ball hit, right? It did. So then, you'll operate the volume from your phone or your tablet, wherever your music is. And let's go to YouTube, and we will find no copyright sounds, no copyright music. Okay. Alright, so all you do is tap it. Ooh, this is an ad. Okay, skip ads.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger.
Alright, and it plays like that. And to turn it off, it sounds good, right? Okay, so to turn it off, push the button in, and it's off. That's it. So when it's not charged anymore, you put it back on your charger. You let it charge up. I'm sure a little blinky light will let you know or something. I'll probably know by the time after this video is done because I'm going to charge it up in full now for you and send it to you full. Okay? And that is how you operate it. So just remember, on, you'll hear the song. Then when it pairs, you'll hear it like that. Then to turn it off. There you go. And now it's off. Ooh, no, it just connected back to my phone. So let me unconnect my phone. So let me go back to settings on my phone. Settings. And then Bluetooth. It's called hearO. Forget this device. Forget device. Okay. All right. Oh, I found it again. Stop finding it. It's a good Bluetooth. But I had to turn my Bluetooth off. Okay. And I think after a time, if it's not played, it turns off on its own too. So for everybody out there who got the US Open hearO 2, congratulations. You have yourself a piece of history. A tennis ball that was repurposed from the US Open 2019. Who knows who hit this ball? Could it have been Serena Williams? Maybe. I don't play tennis. You'd have to ask my mom who played. But yeah, that's how you operate your MP3 player. Enjoy it. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Mwah, 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 mwah.